Next step will be attaching the rack and resecure the fender. So first you would remove this bolt, also this bolt, same on another side. Reattach the fender or the rack over here. Okay, once the rack is attached, you would remove on each side this bolt and reattach the fenders. The fender will go behind this cable for the shifter, and then you would attach the headlight to the rear rack. You will just remove these two looks like nuts and reattach right over here in the center, and then you would need to resecure the cable with the zip ties they included. And here's how it will look once you attach the rack and light and also reattach the fender. I did not secure yet, but I will do it. So you would secure to the rack along with the zip tie. Make sure it might be too long, so you just turn around like this and reattach with zip tie.